Hi guys, and I'm Hi guys, and I'm Andre Mendoza, and I'm from Puso-Rubio, Pangasinan, and I'm 19 years old. This August is magti-20 na, magiging matanda na. My expectation for this subject is new knowledge, of course, and then new deeper meaning sa mga words, and then ma-improve ko yung skills ko sa English, maging fluent siya, and sana maturuan ako. And then my hobby is number 1 is playing mobile games, watching anime, and listening to music. Share ko lang, my favorite artist is Jeremy Nobela, and my favorite music is Malaya Ka Na by Jeremy Nobela to. And ako yung pinabata sa aming magkakapatid, 4 kami. Ako yung bunso, and then my motto is something wonderful is about to happen. That's all. I just want to say na lahat ng iniisip nating tama, lahat ng iniisip nating maganda sa isip natin is magiging totoo. Not now, but soon. Just like me, I have dreaming na magkaroon ng maraming pera. And then pag marami ka ng pera, syempre masaya ka na. And then that's all. Thank you and nice to meet you all.